How to find transit number Desjardins Bank. Desjardins Group is Canada's largest financial cooperative, offering banking, insurance, and investment services, primarily in Quebec and Ontario. It operates as a member-owned institution. First, download Desjardins Bank application from Google Play Store or App Store. Then log into your account with user and password. First, after log to your account from the Home screen, tap on My Account section. Select your account whose details you want to see. Now go to Summary section. Here you will find the direct deposit information option with respect to it. Tap View. And you will find your account's transit number. That's it. Thanks for watching.